Ever wonder what would actually happen to your data if your phone was snatched? We've all seen the horror stories, but today we're changing the narrative. I'm walking you through the latest, most powerful anti-theft defenses hidden inside Android 16 and One UI 8.5. You can go to your Settings app, scroll down and select Lock Screen and AOD. Now you can select the Secure Lock settings. Here you will need to enter your device PIN to access this menu. Make sure that all the options are enabled. The last option is especially important as it prevents someone from quickly putting the phone on airplane mode when stolen. Once this is done, you can tap back to the main Settings menu and select the Security and Privacy option. Here you need to tap on the Lost Device Protection. First, we are going to make sure that everything is enabled in the Find My Mobile menu. Please note that you will only be able to do this when signed into your Android account. You can then go back and tap on the Theft Protection option. Make sure that every option is enabled. And there you have it. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.